Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download video from WhatsApp web. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp is one of the most widely used messaging app in the world, and it is not uncommon for users to share videos with each other through the app. However, sometimes it is necessary to download this video from WhatsApp web to your computer for various reasons. And what if you don't know how to do it? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp web. As you can see, my friend sent me a video and I want to download it to my device, to my computer. Now, you can go back first. As you can see, there is an arrow icon on the video on here. You can just click on that and there will be option download. You can just click on that so the video will be downloaded to your device. Or you can also open the video like this and you'll find there is an option download on the up right corner. You just can click on that so the video will be downloaded to your device. You can check on your download folder. So here's the video that we just download from the WhatsApp web. You can play it. It's so simple, right? So that is how to download video from WhatsApp web. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.